Hi, I am Marcos Vieri, and in this video I will show how can you fix the Docker container with 139 error code when the Typebot viewer container crashes executing a bot. When I was integrating a workflow of Typebot with Evolution API and NHN, I was receiving this error code inside of my Portainer dashboard. First of all, you should verify if the problem is your own workflow or a Docker Swarm environment. To verify this, you can create a free account inside of typebot.io website. You can click in Sign In, create a free account with your Google's account. You can create a new Typebot, import a file from your tested workflow, and if the workflow works inside of this environment, you will verify if the problem is the workflow itself or your Docker Swarm environment. Here is a workflow for test, and you can, for example, click in this button to test, and you will receive the message code with successful. In my case, I was receiving an error code inside of my cloud environment. So the problem was with my environment and not with the workflow. After this verification, I found the GitHub issue solved by the developer of Typebot. In our cloud environment, we have 3 virtual machines connected with Docker Swarm using 2 VMs for manager node and 1 VM for worker node. All of them are using Docker images of Typebot, NHN, and Evolution with ARM images with 64 bits. In the page of the project, Arno explains that it will be necessary to add an environment variable in the Typebot. Here is the commit indicated by Arno. Here we have a modifications in the builder-endpoint.sh and viewer-endpoint.sh. The easiest way to make these modifications is using your Portainer dashboard, navigating to services, selecting each of Typebot services of builder and viewer, and clicking in Add Environment Variable using the name and the value indicated by Arno in your commit. Remember, you need to add the environment variable in 2 services of Typebot, the viewer and the builder. After that, you need to prune the stacks and rebuild the images. To show the solution of this fix, I am using a third production environment infrastructure. So I'm using a prints with the step-by-step instructions, hiding some fields, but you can fix your error code anyway. In this Docker Swarm environment, I had another problem in the Manager 2 machine, when this manager's node was rejecting the container in this VM. Accessing the VM from the terminal, it was identified with df-h command that the problem was caused by a lot of storage space in usage. In this image that I am showing, after the first clean of files, the VM Manager 2 is still using a 91% of Linux storage space. I want to share with you a Docker command that cleans unused Docker images and other unnecessary files of each machine of your Docker environment more efficiently than manual removing using a Portainer dashboard. In this example, you could remove the unnecessary images using your Portainer dashboard, clicking in Images, selecting the machine that you want to remove the image, and filter by the unused images and clicking Removal or Forced Removal. This is a command that cleans all the Docker unused images and other temporary files. Remember, you must execute the command as root user and in the terminal inside of each of your virtual machines. Here is the result of cleaning in the same manager 2 VM. Here is the manager 1 used before the command and after the command, and here is a worker 1 virtual machine before the command and after the command. Thanks for watching this video. I want to thank William from YouTube channel Orion Design and Jay Merson who helped solve these errors. The commands, links and instructions are in the video description. I hope this video helps you. Stay with God and I see you in the next video.